Hello, my name is Juan. I'm a certified BMW tech, taking care of your X5M today. Do want to come around and show you a few things, starting off with the driver front tire. We do recommend tires about 5-30 seconds, and new ones are typically from 9 to about 11 to 12, depending on tire brands and such. So it is at about 5-30 seconds as the lowest. So I would recommend replacing the tire. Front suspension is looking nice and tight, nothing broken or leaking. No oil leaks, transmission leaks, or transfer case leaks. Everything looks nice and dry. Similar story with the passenger front suspension, nothing broken or leaking. The passenger front tire is at about 5-30 seconds, 5-30 seconds, 5-30 seconds, and 6-30 seconds. Over to the passenger rear tire, about 5-30 seconds, 4-30 seconds, 5-30 seconds, and 5-30 seconds. So you do want to go with that lower number. Rear suspension's looking nice and tight, nothing broken or leaking. Rear differential's all nice and dry. Similar story with the driver rear suspension, nothing broken or leaking. And the driver rear tire, about 6-30 seconds, 5-30 seconds, 5-30 seconds, and 6-30 seconds. So I would recommend replacing all 4 tires and doing an alignment. Highest ever marked the rear brake pads is 10 millimeters. We do recommend them at around 4 millimeters in thickness. The driver rear side is at about 8 millimeters, as well as on the inner brake pads, so still plenty of brakes there. Over to the passenger rear brake pads at about 9, but we want to go with that lower number, so we'd go with 8 for the rear axle. Highest ever marked the front brake pads is 12 millimeters. We do recommend them at around 4 millimeters in thickness. The passenger front side is about 8 millimeters, as well as on the inner brake pads, so still plenty of brakes there. And the driver front brake pads, it's below that 8, so we do want to go with 7 millimeters, as well as on the inner brake pads, so still plenty of tread on the front. I'll show you the top in a moment. And coming to the top, everything does look nice and dry, nothing broken or leaking. I did go ahead and top off the fluids for you as well. Go ahead and wrap up these service items so we can get you on your way, and I'll send any other info on its way over to the advisor. If you did like the way I work, please feel free to ask for me on your next visit, and I'd be more than happy to help you. And again, thank you so much for choosing BMW of Motorworks.